Good day, guys. So it's a boy Kimo Commercial again. So I don't know. USD is failing to take me in at this point, but yeah, I've entered like a position somewhere around here yesterday. I remember it was around 6 p.m. Yeah, 6 p.m. Around this time. But then this pending order hasn't been yet. Let me mitigated. So I entered like 0.05 here, and then I entered like 0.10 at this point, 0.10 here. So nonetheless, let's go to another pair. Meanwhile, that one is still playing around. So GBPUSD, guys. Just did the chart. So for GBPUSD, I had like a demand zone here. So I'm just showing you what's happening. So if I'm going to look for further interest to the upside on this pair, because just it, like let's go to like the normal entry criteria that I use. If you look at this, let me just the horizontal line here. You see, this was supposed to enter GPUSD, but like unfortunately, I was too late to enter. So actually, let me remove everything and stick to what I always do and what I always use every time. So I don't want to confuse people. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Like this is the same scenario as like GPA. Sorry, Euro USD. So we have the same scenario on GPUSD. Like the market is kind of like bullish, so we keep on going up and down, and then this is like a bit of consolidation, and there's like a favorable gap at this point. But at the same time, I don't think this will take us out. So I'm just trying to do like a top-down analysis for us on this pair. So yeah, let's say we've been mitigated at this demand zone, right? So this was the inducement. Actually, let me hide this fractals. So there's gonna be a bit of noise because there's like construction happening outside. So yeah, and I'm not gonna edit this video also, so I'll do it like as well as I can. Sorry. So we had like inducement at this point, whereby like the market looked like the okay, it had already like tapped our entry, but then like I said this today on the Euro USD video, if you're using like ICT concepts, you could have entered off like this favorable gap and then took a partial of 1 to 3. But I won't use like favorable gaps because I don't even know where I'm gonna put my stop loss. Maybe one day I'll try to like trade like small time frames. Wait, let me check on them. I'm gonna go back to GPUSD limit. Let me check this and see what's happening. Okay, I'm not gonna enter off like 71%. I'll leave it at 75 as it is. Probably like this will be mitigated around New York session. Yeah, but for now, let's go to GPUSD. So on GPUSD, so we had like inducement and then liquidity was taken out. Liquidity was taken out and then we got to our demand zone. But let me go to 30 minutes time frame. I want to look for a re-entry. Yeah, I see something here, something that is so interesting. And if you look at this, we have like another demand zone. I don't know why it's doing that, but so we have another demand zone at this area. This is where I'm looking to take my buys from. But is it even necessary for me to take a trade here, because already I'm running in a bit of a loss on USD. So this is like my swing low. And if I have to enter, I'll enter this one. This seems like liquidity has taken to the upside. Like I said, guys, I'm not interested in trading. What's this? In trading like sessions. So if I take my entry here, I'll do it like this. I'll take an entry here, then put my stop loss below this demand zone and target this. So it will be 121.95 RR. So let me enter like buys already. So I'm gonna enter buys on. I'm entering buys on, what's this? On GBPUSD. Wait. This is like 30 minutes. Seems like there's a possibility of like the market going like even lower. So let me drop down to a smaller time frame compared to 30 minutes, because I usually trade like 4 hour and 15 minutes. So yeah, this is like a perfect entry for me. So liquidity will be taken out, and already you're at the fair value gap. So there's liquidity that is supposed to be taken out at this point. And actually, this is a live trading video for some reason. So yeah, I'm just gonna enter like buys once the market goes to this point, and then uh go up with it. So this is where I'll take like my profits, and I'll be targeting. Let me check. I can put my stop loss here, but at the same time I can still take it to this point. Risk 28 pips for 61 is 1 to 2 RR. Yeah, it seems reasonable. So let me just like place my orders right now. So on a 15 minutes time frame, I'll do this. Hmm? Wait, guys. I'm still struggling to put my stop loss at this point. So yeah, already have my stop loss in place. So I'm risking $29 for $58. It's a 1 to 2. Already I set my buy limit. So I'll wait for the market to go to that point and then tap me in. If it doesn't tap me in, then still okay. But if it does tap me in, so and goes my direction, I'll make like, why does it say 58 dollars and says 61 at that point? I don't get it. But yeah guys, let me just let it play out and I'll come back with an update later on. Probably during by the end of the week. So yeah, let me just let it play out like it should. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, but I'll send an update like later on of what's gonna happen. So yeah.